Alright, so I'm going to actually install this screw here. So when I had the gunsmith fix the barrel and the barrel threads, this screw was at the 12 o'clock position. It was for the old rear sight on this Mauser 98, and now it's at the 3 o'clock position. So I'm going to plug this screw, or the screw hole, with a screw. I'm going to peen it. I'm going to get it red hot, put it in there, thread it in there, and then I'm going to peen it, and then I'm going to end up filing it off. And then when I go to blue the barrel in the end, you won't end up seeing that mark at all. So we'll get started on that. Start that in, and use a turn screw here. Put that in there. That's threaded. Peen it in there. I'm going to heat it up again quick. And get that off there. There. So now we should be able to file that off. Get that all set. Make some light work of this. We're going to cut that off with the copings. That ain't working. Have to change the blade out on that one shot. It's got a coarser file. Back to a single cut file. I'm going to scratch on the ground and end up cleaning them up anyway. Switch over to a smaller single cut. All set here. Pretty well smooth. Now what I'll do is I'll take a piece of sandpaper. That is almost completely gone. I'll touch it up a little bit with a smaller heating file. And now, should be all set. That's it. So there we go. That's all plugged in. That's gone. You can't really see the mark from that now. I'll loosen that up. So that's where the screw hole was right there. You're not really going to be able to see that. And once I sand it all finished and then do the shoe shine motion on it, get it sanded again, and then I'll re-blue it, you won't end up seeing it. I'm going to have new sights put on it too. So stay tuned for the next video.